This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Boutin. View. Best location in Harbour Links community in Gulf Harbour, a prestigious yacht and country club community. Full lake and golf course views. Open floor plan, turnkey first floor condo with 2-car garage. Negotiable sports membership. Building is at end of cul-de-sac close to pool. Remodeled in 2018, repainted, plantation shutters, tile floors, wood laminate in primary. Bedroom, den has French doors and custom Murphy bed for flexibility. Bathrooms with glass sliding barn doors, totally renovated with all the bells and whistles, separate soaker tub and shower in the primary suite. Kitchen updated, stainless steel appliances, water heater replaced last winter, AC 2020. Roof is 4 years old. Seller is open to leaseback for investor buyer. Centrally located to beaches, restaurants, shopping, and medical facilities. It is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Boutin at 239-229-7571.